and welcome to the world according to Larry. It is another humid day in September up here in New Hampshire, and today's video is a video I captured on my cell phone at Bentley Saloon in Maine. This is an epic motorcycle burnout. This guy actually shifts during the burnout. At some point, he probably shifted into third or fourth, but he just obscures himself in a cloud of smoke. This is something to see.
Yeah. You don't like it very much? Yeah. Probably needs to drive. Better take off. It's going to get trouble.
You've been experiencing the world according to Larry, and I'm Larry, and this is the world I live in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like it, share it. I would love to hear your comments, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe. And until then, I'm in my world.